Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So buying an S&P 500 investment on Scalable Capital is one of the most popular ways for European investors to gain exposure to hundreds of leading US companies through a single investment. So instead of buying individual stocks, you can invest in an S&P 500 ETF and manage everything directly from from the Scalable Capital app or web platform. So Scalable Capital offers access to thousands of ETFs and ETF savings plan starting from as little as €1. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to buy S&P 500 on Scalable Capital in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, open a Scalable Capital account. Okay, so as you can see here, if you don't already have an account, create a Scalable Capital broker account, complete identity verification, personal information. Once approved, you will gain access to Scalable Capital's investing platform. Okay, after that, you have to deposit funds. Okay, so as you can see here, tap deposit or add funds, transfer money from your bank account. Okay, so common methods include bank transfer, SEPA transfer, linked bank accounts funding. Okay, wait until your funds become available, means available cash is required before investing. Okay, and then search for an S&P 500 ETF. Like, use the search bar and enter one of the following: ETF, Vanguard, okay, SPDR. Okay, so as you can see here, you have these options. Okay, and then open the ETF details page. Okay, so as you can see here, open the ETF details page like this and confirm ticker symbol, exchange, fund type. Okay, make sure you are selecting the correct ETF before investing. Always double check the ticker symbol. Okay, so after that, review the order and confirm the purchase. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.